Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today we're going to be making cookie logs filled with jam. So we'll start with the eggs. Baking powder, salt, lemon zest. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it with the rest of the flour. And here I have vanilla. You can add the liquid if you want. And I'm gonna do the powder today. Okay, my counter, it's nice and clean. Put some flour. Okay, now here I have some jam. It's a triple berry jam. You can use any kind of jam. So we'll do one. Okay. So you put some flour on the counter. Okay, you put this aside. And we're gonna just do like a stretch the dough like a rectangle this way. And you add flour so it doesn't stick to the bottom. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I think this is good enough. Some jam. They don't take long to do these cookies, but they're so good. They're so good to eat. Okay, so now just roll it this way, and like that. Yeah, pinch the ends here. And you just pick it up. We'll do the other one. The oven on. Okay, and I'll do the egg wash. Here I have a little bit of sugar. We're going to put that on the top. show them to you when they come out of the oven. Okay? See you soon. The cookies are ready. They're still hot. I'm gonna cut one or two to show you what they look like. Beautiful, nice and cooked. Okay, I will cut. They need to be cut when they're like a little warm. You can freeze them the way they are. Just put saran wrap or in a Ziploc bag and put them in your freezer, and they'll last about 2 to 3 months in the freezer. And cut them diagonal, the way I'm cutting them. They look nice. Okay, the cookies are all done and cut up. I cut a few to show you. They look beautiful, full of jam. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.